first go to access.rowan.edu. Then you can enter your email credential to Rowan University. And then it will enter. Then click on Academic Virtual Desktop. Click on Open. It takes some time to log on. Allow. Okay, you logged on. And here, if you don't have SAP Logon on your background, you can go to Windows Program, or you can go to search bar and type SAP. That's another way to go. Anyway, if you click on that search bar, I'm going to say SAP. SAP. Or using this program bar, you can search for it. Go to SAP, and you see SAP front end. And then you have SAP GUI configuration and SAP Logon. Click on SAP Logon. Now it's opening. SAP GUI for Windows is running. And here is the initial screen. This is like an interface that has a lot of faces to different databases. So you see many doors in a sense. And our server is Honda, so click on Honda. And it runs. You are entering the door, you are knocking on the door, and from your credentials that I showed here, say the first person is with this ID, and his SAP ID is learn-041, and client number is 544. Initial password is Rowan PWD. So if you don't have that, please make sure to check the corresponding SAP ID. That's very important for you. So we learned the client number is 544, and user ID, in my case, I'm going to use learn-042. 039 is my ID. Your ID is different according to the information that I gave you on Canvas. Please make sure to check it out and enter the right one. And here, password, there it's filled with dots, so don't be afraid. You are overriding with your own password. Initial password is Rowan PWD, and R and PWD are in upper cases. So I'm going to say Rowan, ROWAN, PWD, and hit enter. If you correctly entered, it says you have to change your password. Here it is important for you to use a straightforward password for you to remember, and write it down and email it to yourself, text it to yourself so that you don't forget it. Because you failed 3 times entering the right password, then you will be locked out of the system. So I entered it, and then now I logged on to the system, and it says it's from University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee UCC program, and it expires at the end of this year. Click on check mark, then you are now officially logged on to the system, and here are lots of functions. It's like an ocean in the system. So this is how you are going to log on to SAP.